15 miles from the entrance of Bryce Canyon is a little ghost town of Widtsoe. Let's go look at it. That's all the signage you get for this old ghost town. Welcome to Widtsoe. I think that's how you say it. Gonna look around, check out this old ghost town. So let's go explore. This valley was settled by the Mormon pioneers in 1876. It was mainly a ranching community at first. About 20 or so years later, in the early 1900s, Jedediah Adair bought some land here and started farming. His success was noticed, and more people started moving to this valley, and Adairville was born. This was the first of many names the town would have. It grew a little more, and it was renamed Houston. In 1912, the town was granted a post office with a new name, Winder. In 1917, the post office changed its mind and said there were too many towns in Utah named Winder, and Widtsoe it was from now on. Oh, watch out for old nails poking out through pieces of wood. Yeah, I'm not gonna walk on this floor. I don't want to fall through it. The town had sawmills to the east, 2 hotels, 4 stores, and a church that was also the school. By 1920, the population had boomed to 1,100 people. Later that summer, Utah reminded them that this is the second driest state in the nation, and severe drought was on. People started to move out fast. By 1930, only 210 people still lived here. In 1935, only 17 families were left. In 1936, the government stepped in and bought out the rest of the properties. By 1938, the last people packed their bags and moved on, leaving Widtsoe a ghost town. I don't know how long this old church is gonna last. This back wall is warping pretty bad. look, there's my wife. That was a pretty big building. Yeah, it was way big. That looks like it might have been an old wagon. We can't go in this one. It's posted no trespassing. So I guess you would say this is a living ghost town. There's a couple nice cabins just above it. A couple pieces of property over here with trailers on them. So this place isn't totally abandoned. There's still some people that live out here. It's still really cool though. I love coming across old history on my adventures. Always makes me think back to the Old West. I don't know what that used to be. Okay, we got a slab of concrete with some bolts on it. They had something mounted here. I'd guess it's a water well. But I don't know. Just a guess. Tons of antelope on this road today. There's a herd of like 10 of them right over there. I know you can't see them in the GoPro, but they're there. I love finding wild animals on my adventures, so if I find them, you'll see them. "15 miles north of Widtsoe, in the middle of Black Canyon, is another little ghost town. Established in 1910 as Henderson And after building this massive creamery and granary, it was renamed Osiris. But ultimately, it would have the same fate as Widtsoe. Just as quick as it began, it ended. All that is left here is the creamery and an old shack. Looks like it's fenced off. We don't get to go in there. But hopefully we can walk around it, give it a good look. Okay, we're gonna go look around the backside.
See?
My wife's hot on my tail. Well, we got a water crossing. I wonder how old this little canal is underneath the building. Looks pretty old. They probably had a bridge across here. The silo. There's a shaft that looks like it goes down. So there must be a tunnel under there that they filled up cars full of grain, I guess. Maybe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.